Hello guys, welcome back to Maryland HVAC Repair, and I want to show you a unit that we are currently working on. If you guys remember some of my previous video, I was talking about removing a boiler. I was trying to remove a boiler. You can look at the old boiler here. You can see we removed this. This was what we had. We had all these old pipes, and now we replaced it with this. So this is what I want to talk to you about, guys. I'm gonna walk through the house. It's a house for a rental property. You can see all this stuff here came up from the old boiler. So we're gonna run in here. We already went ahead, replaced the water heater because we had a water heater. So as you can see, we do some new gas pipe in here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take you throughout the house, guys. I'll show you the ductwork. As you can see here, we see run the ductwork over here. Also, we had to redo the gas line. So just to make everything neat, once you're doing a whole new system, and you can see this is the duct here. This duct first is a vent here, so we're gonna just have a grill here. But I'm gonna walk you throughout the house so you could actually see the ductwork and you can see exactly what was going on. But we definitely went with an air temp furnace. It's a brand you could get from RE Medical. You wonder how you filter on deck because you know what's gonna happen. It's a house that you're doing a lot of repairs. It's an old house, and we're gonna rehab this house, so there's gonna be a lot of dust. So let's walk upstairs, guys. As I said, this house is under construction. This is another one of those stuff that we take out. I mean, these things are really, really heavy. But let's walk through the house and show you the ductwork. So as you can see, we already have a vent coming in here. This is some of your ductwork here. This is the same ductwork that you were seeing upstairs. You will see you have a vent outside here, guys. So we already cut out everything here for that. Over here, these are the vent. This one is going upstairs. I'll take you upstairs and show you. Also right here, we're gonna put a grill out right here. You can see we make it 14 by 14. This is your return. So just to mention, this is your return, come from your return downstairs, and this is your supply. So we actually doing, I said, putting a whole system. I'm gonna take you upstairs to show you exactly what is. So we actually went ahead, put out the whole ceiling there. You know, so it was a bad ceiling, so we're gonna replace that ceiling also. So just wanna show you here. So right now we have another one of them, so nothing is gonna go down through the vent. But these things are heavy. They're the hardest thing. I have to actually get somebody to get them out. So this is mainly what we have going. We're gonna have to actually redo our floors again. This is another room. So we're doing a full rehab on this house. So I just wanted to show you a quick video to tell you exactly what we're doing. Like I say, this is your return, this is your supply. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know if you want to see when it's finished. I can do another video when it's finished and we make everything nice. But I just want to give you a rough look as to what I'm doing. Take care.